Tired of scrolling through hundreds of irrelevant courses on Coursera? Learn how to filter by level, language, and skill to find your perfect course fast. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Coursera's search filters step by step. First, we will search for a topic, then apply filters from the sidebar. By the time we are done, you will go from feeling lost in a sea of courses to confidently narrowing down your options in just seconds. All right, let us jump in. Start by typing exactly what you are looking for into the search bar at the very top of the Coursera homepage. Maybe you want to learn artificial intelligence or digital marketing. Just type that keyword in and hit enter. This is your starting point, so be as specific as you can. Once the results load, look to the left side of your screen. That is where the magic happens. You will see a list of filter categories just sitting there, ready to help you cut through the noise. Now, the first filter to consider is Learning Product. Coursera offers courses, specializations, professional certificates, and even full degrees. If you just want a quick overview, check the box for Courses. If you are aiming for a career change, look at Professional Certificates. Pick the format that matches your goal. Next up is Level. This is a huge time saver. If you are brand new to a topic, check Beginner. If you have some experience, go with Intermediate. And if you are a veteran, select Advanced. This alone will eliminate tons of results that are either too easy or too hard. Now, pay attention to this one. The Skills filter lets you pinpoint exactly what you want to learn. For example, instead of searching broadly for data science, you can check the box for Python or machine learning. This is where you get really specific. Do not forget about language. Click on it and choose your preferred language. Maybe you want content in English, Spanish, or French. This ensures you are not wasting time on courses you cannot fully follow. You can also filter by educators. This is great if you trust a specific university, like Yale or the University of Michigan. Or maybe you want content from a company like Google or IBM. Just check the box and instantly see only their offerings. Take a moment to review your filtered list. Does it look right? If something feels off, you can uncheck a box and try a different option. It is that easy. Now, to see even more sorting options, click on the Filter and Sort button at the top of the results. This opens up additional ways to organize everything. Once that is open, you can choose how to sort your results. Do you want the most relevant courses first? Or the ones with the highest ratings? Pick what matters most to you. You can also apply additional filters here for things like duration or partner. Maybe you only have 4 weeks to complete a course, or you want something from a top-rated institution. This lets you fine-tune everything. If you want to start over from scratch, just click the option to clear all filters. It resets everything so you can begin a fresh search. Found a great search? Bookmark it for later. That way you can jump right back in without typing everything again. When you see a course that looks promising, click on it to explore more details. Read the syllabus, check the prerequisites, and see what you will actually learn. And finally, once you are sure it is the right fit, go ahead and enroll or add it to your wish list. That is it. You have gone from overwhelmed to in control. Happy learning!